Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to design a sketchbook on the Canva application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. This will take a 5 minutes when the application is uploading. Go to the prints section, and here you can find it, the gifts section next to the marketing. Scroll down and click to the last option, the sketchbook. Here you have more options. If you want to add pictures to your project, just click to the uploads button, and here you can upload images and other files to the Canva, or go to the gallery section, and here you can find it images and videos from your device. In the element section you can search different graphic elements, for example stickers, charts, grids and more. If you go to the design section, you can find the different styles and templates which were created by professional graphic designer. Just select a template and step on it. You can edit this template. If you want to change the background color, just click to the beige square icon next to the design section and just select another color and done. If you want to move an item on your project, just click that and you can move, and you can edit the size. If you want to change the text, just click to the text box, delete the text and write. If you want to change the text style, click to the arrow next to the brusher Cyrillic text type name, and here you can choose another text style or font type. Just select one and step on it. If you want to change the size of your text, just click to the minus or the plus icon and done. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye.